Like, is this relaxing? I literally just want to chill. I just want to close my eyes, sit back and chill. All right, today I'm checking out LaMontagne. I'm listening to the song Winter Birds. Let's get into it.
So widow now owns that angry plow, the Spartan mule and the crippled cow, the fallow field that will yield no more. The fox lay sleeping neath her kitchen floor. The stream can't contain such the withering rain. From the pasture the fence it is leaning away. The clouds crack and growl like some great cat on the prowl, crying out, I am, over and over again. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured songs. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you. The winter birds have gone back again. Hear the sprightly chickadee, gone now is the willow wren. In passing greet each other as if old friends. And to the voiceless trees it is their only will end. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured songs. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you.
Yo, we're ultra chilling right now. This song so slow and relaxing. You know what though? My favorite thing about this song is actually just the mastering and the sound. Like the sound and the mastering, like the music gets really low when he's singing, and you can just hear all the details of his voice, and his voice is all soothing and singing smooth. When he gets a little bit of croak in the vocals, you can hear the croak and stuff, or whatever that's called. You know what I mean? You can hear all the details so well, and it's a nice sound. Very soothing, relaxing. Not the easiest for me lyrically to pay attention to. And like, is this relaxing? I literally just want to chill. I just want to close my eyes, sit back and chill. You meditate to this song or something. I don't know, but it seems to be a love song about his lady, is what I'm thinking.
Though all these things will change, the memories will remain. It's green to gold and gold to brown. The leaves will fall to feed the ground, and in their fall and make no sound. gathered all my money, now I'm going to town to buy my lady a long and flowing gown. 'Cause come tomorrow morning, we're off to the county fair. We'll find a yellow flower and I will lace it in her hair. The days grow short as the nights grow long. The kettle sings its tortured songs. A many-petaled kiss I place upon her brow. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now. Oh, my lady, lady, I am loving you now.
Oh, I just love the detail in the vocals. I mean, you can even hear him breathe. You can even hear him take the in breath. Like, you could just hear everything. I don't know why that's different in this song than many other songs. Maybe this one's more raw or something, or not super, you know, audio engineered or whatever the heck they do to smooth over vocals and whatnot. Now, the only verse I felt like I could really process, because, you know, it's all poetic and stuff. What's that fifth verse? We was talking about going to the county fair and putting a flower in this girl's hair and stuff. And it's like, we literally just went to the county fair like 2-3 weeks ago. You could see someone with a little flower in their hair. Not that I did, but you know, you see it all the time. A girl with a flower in her hair, you should never know. It could be a couple. They got the girl with the flower in her head, and the guy could be feeling just like this. You know what I mean? Very into this girl, all romantic, and he's just so happy and proud that he put the flower in her hair, and, you know, loving her and all that. And he's just walking past the person with the flower in their hair, but really they have all this going on emotionally. It's a very special moment for him. That's what I'm thinking. Listen to the song, that fifth verse, since that fifth verse was just plain, clear English, not too crazy poetic or anything like that. Think about the county fair, just, I don't know, just little things you notice, little details in life, not a big deal to you, but somebody else, they have their whole internal world. They have their whole world going on, and it could be this going on right there, and we're just crossing each other, and it's all a flower in the hair, you know?
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.